Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Halini Makeover right here. Today we are going to be tying turban on myself. Okay, so first of all, this is a normal 2.5 yard Dupion rawsilk. I told you guys if you want to buy, you can order. I also want to open a YouTube shop so that you guys will be shopping directly and getting it delivered to you. I'm trying to pleat the rawsilk. I'm going to be doing a 60-40 part turban. So after pleating, I'm going to sit down. So this is the pleat. I'm going to be placing it from behind. Of course, I'm not going to be removing my gele. I'll place it from behind so that you guys will see. I'll just follow the pleats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so after following this, I'll make sure I get it open from behind. Yes, and the turban is not equal. Oh. One is of course longer than one. So I'm just going to hold it like this. Make sure I have an opening behind like this. So I'm going to do this. Then I'll twist this one back. Let me arrange this side. So I'm going to be, can you see this? So after this, I'm going to tuck this shorter one inside like this. And we tuck this one. Don't mind the green turban inside though. After tucking this one inside, I'll bring this one up like this. Can you see this? Then you see the last pleat. I'm going to hold it like this. Then release this part out again. Then I'll use this other one. This other one too. Give me pin, please. Let me get a pin. I'll hold this. Can you see this? I'll just pin it down below so that it stays secured like this. Uh-oh. I'll pin this one. See? Yes, okay, and then for this one, I'll also raise this one up like this. Then I'll pin this one also like this. Whoa, I almost poked my ears. Okay, so for this, we'll be spreading. This pin is tricking my neck. Let me adjust it. You have to pardon me, guys. It's just that I don't do this always. But with time, I know we will get there. So I'm going to bring this one up, rearrange it like this. Are you guys getting this? Okay, so just arrange this like this. And then I'll package all this one. If I like, I'll use it to do another kitchen inside. If I like, that's if I like. Then I'll use it to roll it up behind. I'll use an office pin, fold it on like this so that it's secure. And then I'll go back again and rearrange. If I want it on the side, I'll make it at the side like this. Okay guys, so you can use this one for a let's say if you're going for, and you can also hold this one in so that it doesn't look like it's rough or anything like that. I'm just going to secure it with an office pin. Can you see this? Yes, okay. So the back is well secured. This one right here, you can just adjust this perfectly like this. And voila, this is it. So this is the normal turban. If you like, you can push it back, but me, I won't push it back because I don't have fine front hair. So this is how you're going to leave it. So this is how it looks like if you're going for a wedding or you like extravagant turban. See the back of the hair tie. That's if you want it neater, you can press it in and just arrange it very well. So this is how it looks. yeah, guys. So thank you for watching. I am Hadidi Makeovers right here. Once again, I did my makeup, something I've never done before, and also did my turban on camera. So if you guys love these videos, please don't forget to comment or like these videos down below. And even though you don't like them, I'll keep doing them until you like them. Yes. So thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.